This is part of a small boat harbor you have on the other side of the highway, and the area is well protected from the ocean. If you continue a minute in this direction, you will pass the Liliuokalani Park, and when you come to the end, there is a big hotel. There is also a couple of smaller islands you can walk out to on a little bridge. And if I have time, I will show you the place. My plan is to go up to the highway and walk down another couple of minutes to the left and show you something really interesting. And this is Kamehameha Avenue. A tree like this could contain a complete ecosystem. You start at the bottom, you have vines going all the way up to the top, big leaves, moss, and many other things. And we have birds and insects, and they all live and hide in a tree like this. Today we have a golf course behind these trees. And back in the 1960s, we had a village called Waiākea Kai. And living too close to the ocean can be dangerous. So what happened here in May of 1960, a tsunami hit. And it pretty much destroyed the entire town. We have a few pictures from that time. And what is so special with this clock is that it stopped 4 minutes after 1 a.m. that night when the tsunami hit town. So this is a memorial today. This is not the original place, I think, but this is how they used the clock in the past. Probably in the middle of town is my guess. We had schools, we had homes, we had businesses and all that. But this is how they found it, in the rubble. And they celebrated 60 years not too long ago. And the tsunami hit May 23rd, 1960. So they are maintaining this as a memorial for what happened. And instead of rebuilding the town, they decided to, I guess, make it into a golf course. It's probably safer. You don't want to live right on the beach. That can be really risky. And if you want to learn more about it, you have to go to the Tsunami Museum they have in downtown. It's just very crazy what could happen when you are sleeping. If you are too close to the water, you could be hit by a tsunami in the middle of the night. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Poor guys. These trees are very interesting. They must be very old. Take a look at the base. It's very thick. It looks like it could be hundreds of years old. and then it's branching out, and in the end you will have big green leaves. And if you walk out over this mini bridge, you will come out to a very popular, let's call it if I say beach, that might not be the correct word, but people are out there during the weekend. They hop in the water and they have a lot of fun. And we have these big ugly hotels in the background. If you want to be lazy, this is your place. They have some nice grass. You can just lie down and think of nothing. And you have the island's smallest sandy beach, 6 feet long in this corner. But I will show you something else they have in the background. I can't really illustrate what's going on in the middle of the week. It's a weekend thing. But you see that stone structure in the background. Let's go and check it out. If you come here a Sunday afternoon, or maybe a Saturday when you have nice weather, people, they climb up to the top and hop out in the water. It's really, really interesting to see. Let's see if they do it. I want some action. I want some proof. Let me go out all the way to the tip. It looks fun. Really fun. I mean, I would be scared. What could it be? 12 feet? Something like that. All right, let's see. Is it going to do it? Yes or no? I don't know. We don't have the whole day. Well, I need to kill some time, so I'm looking at the hotel instead. My God, okay. I have to cut out a minute of video, but that's okay. Okay, now. All right, I got it on camera. That's perfect. That's great, great. All right, we have seen that. And because it's afternoon, we have the canoe guys out in the bay. They are paddling along. I don't know what this is, but there is some inscription and it says Moku Ola 1929. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like they had a flagpole down in that hole going all the way up. But yeah, it's a mystery and I can't solve it. This parking lot is located behind these big hotels we saw earlier, and I'm surrounded by massive banyan trees like this one. We have plenty of them, maybe 50 just around this parking lot. And the airport is right on the other side. It's literally just a quarter of a mile. And if it's a sunny day, this beach can be very nice. They have showers and everything you need. And they also have a beautiful traditional Hawaiian boat in the middle of the bay. And I think this view could be my last for this afternoon.